Here's a quick look at how Dexter's learning capabilities are running at the moment. So if we ask him a question like, who is Tony Stark? He doesn't know this, so it's the first time anyone's ever asked him this. And we ask him this, and he'll have to think about it for a little bit, because he doesn't know. So he's trying to find out, okay, what is Tony Stark? It's a name.
Iron Man is a fictional superhero
Then
appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics. The character was created by writer and editor Stan Lee, developed by scripter Larry Lieber, and designed by artists Don Heck and Jack Kirby.
Right, there you go. So he figured it out, right? Tony Stark's a name. What is Tony Stark? Tony Stark is a character in a fictional thing that created by Marvel, okay, and then finds something that describes Tony Stark. Okay, this is a paragraph, blah blah blah. I'll parse this, find out if there's information related to blah blah blah. So he figures out, even though in this paragraph he found on the internet, it doesn't say Tony Stark, he knows Tony Stark is also called Iron Man. So that's good enough for him. Figures that out. Nice, happy days, right? So what about if we go ahead and ask him, who is Iron Man? Does he have to think about it, or does he just know? Because, right, so maybe I should do this first, right? So he knows who Tony Stark is now. So if we ask him that question again, who is Tony Stark? He doesn't have to think about it. It's instant, because he knows it.
The character was created by writer and editor Stan Lee. Okay.
So what I'm saying is now if we ask him who's Iron Man, is he going to have to do the same search process to figure out who Iron Man is, because he's never been asked that question before? Or does he already know who Iron Man is? Because if a human like myself, if I was to have gone through this process, if someone then asked me, hey, who's Iron Man? I would know, because I just read that, right? You'd put two and two together, right? So let's ask, who is Iron Man? Will he have to think about it, or will he know?
Iron Man is a fictional
he already knows.
appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics. The character was created by writer and editor Stan Lee, developed by... Okay.
He just paused my music because I told him to shut up. Oh, whoa. Oh, I forgot I left speech recognition on. It's hard to do speech recognition when I'm also talking in a video. So, but yeah, that's how his learning algorithm works. It's pretty cool if you ask me.